Guys, what's up? It's your girl Just Jamie XO here, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're a returner, it's great to have you back. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my super simple 3-ingredient rosewater recipe. Now guys, it is literally so simple. All you're gonna need is some roses. Those clips before were roses from my mom's garden. She's fantastic with gardening and she grows tons of roses. So I grabbed a couple of those with her help. You're gonna need some spray bottles because I like to use these in a spray bottle for my toner bottle, or you can use it in whatever container you like, just something to store it in. Next, you guys are going to need a pot with a lid. The lid is very important because you're going to use it when you're cooking it on the stove. And the last thing you're going to need is about a tablespoon of vegetable glycerin. This is just to extend the shelf life of your product, but I recommend keeping your rosewater in the fridge, or later you'll see that I freeze my excess in the batch. So guys, rosewater is so simple to make. All you're going to do is pluck the rose petals off of those roses. You can use any roses you have lying around, or if you go for a walk while in quarantine and you see some roses out and about, as long as they're not on someone's property, you should be able to just snip them up and grab them and take them along with you. But be careful. You can see I'm using a gardening glove here because we did not dethorn our roses, so just be careful and don't get pricked. Now guys, the reason we are making rosewater, if you didn't know, because rosewater is like the OG. It's been around for centuries. We have like the beauties like Cleopatra used rosewater in their beauty routines because it's anti-inflammatory, so it can reduce redness and soothe irritation of the skin. It's also got antiseptic properties, so it can help to fight breakouts. It's got a bunch of antioxidants, and it's anti-aging. So for someone like me who tends to have a little bit of hormonal breakouts, but also has a little bit of eczema flare-ups and irritations, I think this is a fantastic thing to use as your toner. That's the way I used it in my beauty routine. I just spray it on my face like I normally would any other toner, and I love it. I keep it in my skincare fridge, so it prolongs the shelf life, but you don't have to. You could keep it in the fridge in your kitchen, or the vegetable glycerin will probably hold up for about a week, but I usually try to keep it for longer, so I like to be able to keep it in the fridge. But next guys, you're going to add about 3 cups of water to your rose petals. And then you're going to add your tablespoon of vegetable glycerin, and that is literally it. You're going to put your lid on, sit it on your stove for about 20 minutes on medium, low, or low heat, and you will have rose water. That's simple. You can see all of my petals have lost their color, and I'm just going to strain it because we don't want a bunch of clunky rose petals in our rose water. So guys, after you have strained it, all you have to do is decide how you're going to store it. In my case, I like to take some of my excess water and freeze it into little rose petal shapes. You can do this with any ice cube tray or cookie tray, whatever you have around the house. I just like to use these little rose petal ones because we have them, and I think it looks super cute. So I put the amount that I'm going to use in my little spray bottle that fits in my skincare fridge, and the rest gets frozen. And I do keep a mason jar in my shower because right after I make it, I usually like to put rose water on my scalp that first night when I'm washing my hair. Super simple recipe. So if you guys enjoyed this video and this super easy recipe, please give it a thumbs up, and also comment down below any other skincare recipes you have been curious about and what ways you like to use natural ingredients in your beauty routine. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
All you see is black roses. Couldn't remember things don't ask for something more than you